Welcome to SOS. Today we're going to talk about every interesting topic, hobby, interest and talent.
Everyone has two hobby or activity they do in their free time, whether it's for lesson, learning something new, or even building a community. From simple hobbies like reading books to more complex ones like gardening or photography. Hobbies play important role in our life. In this episode, we're going to dig deeper into the if different types of hobby, how they can improve your quality of life and maybe even help you find a new passion. Let's get welcome back to SOS Podcast. This time I want to talk about two hobbies that really bring me joy, singing and driver. These two activities are very different, but they both have a special space in my life. Singing as self-experience. First of all, let's talk about singing. Since I was little, I have loved singing for me. Singing is not just about to make song, but also a way to express my feelings when I sing. There are moments where I can really let go all my fears. The song that comes out of our mouth can be very powerful, carrying emotion and even energy. Like to singing the most when I am alone or when I have relaxing moment. That song I sing can vary depending on my mood. When I happy, I can sing upbeat, energetic song, but when I need to calm down, I switch a ballad or acoustic song. And interestingly, every time I sing, there is a sense of place that accompanies me like therapy for the soul. Driving off the freedom. On the other hand, driving a car is very different experience. For me, driving is not just a way to get around, but more like an adventurous journey. There is something calming about bending the wheel, feeling the wind when the windows are down, and seeing the sunset changing before my eyes. Whenever I feel stressed or need someone alone time, I often call to driver the open road, especially when the sun is starting to set or when the street and are empty is the moment I enjoy the most. It feels like complete freedom, just me, my car, and the road I have. This great way to escape from the daily routine and gain new perspective. Sometimes I also combine these two hobbies. While driving, I like play favorite song and along. I really makes the journey more enjoyable and more lively. So whether I'm along road trip or just driving around musical day, I was there.
Two hobbies so important.
There's two hobbies. A talk different give me the opportunity to feel free and truly be myself. Singing makes me feel more connected to my emotion and energy. I have driving give me a physical, mental, and mental relationship from the pressure of outside world. Combining in the to bring balance to my life. When I need release my emotions, I sing. When I want to feel free and clean, I drive. It is unequal combined, and I am so grateful to have two hobbies as a escape from the daily grind.
Wow, so interesting, guys.
A few moments later.
Welcome to episode twice of the podcast. This time we're diving into interesting about hobbies. Everyone has hobbies they enjoy to fill their free time.
In this episode, I will talking about two hobbies that I really enjoy. Watching a tech action movie like The Meg and reading fantasy novel on Wattpad. These two hobbies are very different but both hold a special place in my life. Let's get
started.
First, let's talk about watching action movie. I always enjoy adrenaline-filled movie, especially those featuring James Crater. One of my favorite films is The Meg. This movie features a crazy historic shark, the Megalodon, and is filled with thrilling action scenes that keep me on edge from start to finish. Watching movie like this gives me a sense of adventure without ever having a live home. I can feel the tension but an excited more for the comfort of my couch. Plus, this movie inspired me to read. When I see character fighting against demons or struggling to survive, inspired my imagination to create my own fantasy world in my reading. Speaking of reading is another hobby that means a lot to me. I love reading novels, especially in the fantasy genre, and I often publish my work on Wattpad. This platform allows me to share my story with a wide audience, receive feedback, and even connect with other readers and readers. In my fantasy story, I get to create a world full of mythical creatures, battling kingdoms, or epic adventures. Reading on Wattpad gives me the freedom to express my imagination without limits. Every story I read is often driven by inspiration for the action movie I watch, whether it's a big battle scale or character having to survive those situations. Reading is also my way to escape from everyday life. When I read it feels like I'm entering another world, a place where I can freely create and tell stories. These two hobbies, although different, give me balance in my life. Watching action movie provide instant entertainment and inspiration, while reading give me a creative outlet to express my idea. I watch, I feel like part of a big adventure, and when I write, I get to create my own adventure. Reading fantasy novel allow me to interact with reader and get valuable feedback. It also helps me improve my reading skill. On the other hand, watching action movie keep me entertained and boost my imagination. The combination of watching and reading give me the perfect balance in my life. When I need inspiration, I watch movie. When I want to express my idea, I read to activity to help me maintain my mental and emotional well-being.
Thank you for listening to this SOS. From seeing the world being to feel exciting action in favorite movie to stories being written novels.
Hopefully, in the inspiration and enthusiasm we talked about earlier can spread to all of you. See you in the next podcast.